Hello, today we're going to talk about lavender. It's a perennial plant and it's very low maintenance. You don't have to water it. I purchased mine from Home Depot. It was very cheap, about $18 and $8 for the small one. It doesn't need a lot of moisture. You plant it in a pot or you can plant it in your garden and water it once or twice a week. And it attracts a lot of bees because of the pollen and the nectar. The bees use it to feed. This plant lasts for about 15 years. It's in the mint family. It's very good. It smells good. This one right here, the bees had got a lot of the pollen and the nectar out of this because the flower's open. So I left some out for them. But the bright side is a bug repellent. It keeps away the bad critters like the flies, the mosquitoes, the moths, things that you don't like. So that's where the lavender get a plus. This is my dried English lavender. I put it in the basement in a cool, dry, nice spot. And it dried out very well. And now it's dry, and I'll be able to take the dry lavender and use it in sachets, my recipes, such as salmon and ice cream and cookies, a lot of desserts, cupcakes, and even can go on your salad. And I can use it inside my drawer, inside of my closet, freshen up nice little dry places. I love lavender. It's very good. And lavender never leaves its scent. The scent lasts up to 20 years because each plant stem flower have oil glands on it, and the oil glands last a long time. Only thing you have to do is rub them. And now I store them inside these mason jars. I did receive them from Target, and I store them in there, and they hold up to about 20 years. And that way it's easy to use in your recipes, easy to put in your sachets, easy to use because it reduces stress and anxiety, relieves your headaches, support brain function, promotes sleep, pain relief, lower your high blood pressure because if you reduce the stress, no high blood pressure. And it treats skin condition and promotes hair growth. Lavender is very good. So get yourself some lavender. Make sure it's English lavender. The Spanish lavender don't hold that much oil. But the English one, that's the go. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.